I want to say that 3 years ago, we had a pretty good year coming out of the pivot, but definitely 2023 was our big breakthrough year where we 10x'd the business. My name is Joran van Dijk. I'm the co-founder of Framer. With Framer, you get to design and publish your website all from a single canvas. We try to build a really lean company. For a very long time, we had a 100 on 100 goal, meaning we wanted to get to 100 million in revenue with only 100 people. What it really tries to signal is that, we want to build a very efficient company where there's basically as little waste as possible.
The last year has been amazing for Framer. We've grown very rapidly. Our business has grown a lot. It has 10x'd. Very exciting time to be working at Framer. And at the same time, we've also trying to keep our employees at Framer very lean. So we're a lean team here. To work efficiently, we've looked into tools, new tools that we want to use, and Contra is one of them.
My life before Contra was definitely a darker place. Not only the platform, the product is amazing, but the team there is also phenomenal. I've been working with them for over a year now. The organization, the input that I've received from their team, the support, it's just unmatched based on any other company I've ever worked with. It's been super exciting to be a part of Framer's growth. There's definitely been some challenges as we scale. We need to find ways to optimize our efficiency, and Contra's definitely been there to help us do that.
Contra, I think, is a key piece of how we work with freelancers and how we do project-based work. What that means is that a lot of our teams will first work with freelancers on Contra. A variety of teams will all first scout talent on Contra and then work with that talent on a freelance basis. After that, if we like how we work with people, we tend to either hire them part-time or just have them join us full-time. So if I look at the overall company structure, then obviously product, engineering, marketing, those are all core functions of most SaaS companies. Outside of that, there is customer success, support, template review team, copywriting. A significant amount of how we work with those teams runs on the Contra network.
Contra has really improved my workflow. It's been a really great tool for me on the legal side. As we were working with more external contributors and freelancers, it's been a great way for me to make sure that we have a standard process in place when we engage with these contractors, and we have template agreements that are easily accessible for the whole team at Framer.
Our mission is to make the internet more creative, so that's what we'll continue to do. We'll continue to make the builder more and more powerful so you can achieve richer and richer levels of outputs with the product itself. With the company, like I said before, we really like efficiency, and we'll see how far we can get, but I'm sure Contra is going to be helpful along the way.